I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. It's been a minute, I ain't worried about the weight. In the club, popping bottles, straight finesse. The only thing in the kitchen cooking is the chef. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. It's been a minute, I ain't worried about the weight. In the club, popping bottles, straight finesse. The only thing in the kitchen cooking is the chef. Oh, no, yup, he back again. Throw them hands up in the air because he go win. And his beat is knocking and make him wanna grab his pen and jot down the words. I'm feeling good.
So, how you doing, ladies and gentlemen? It's your friendly neighborhood chef, Chef Dix, and I'm back with another one. So, in this episode, I actually took a trip to Orlando to come to the Seven Seas Food Festival down in Orlando at SeaWorld. I've never been to SeaWorld before, and I've never been to a Seven Seas Food Festival, so why not? Oh, look at that, look at that. Oh my God, I used to walk around sampling great food. You know, we got this around here. Oh my goodness. Look around, guys, look around. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. Hey, I want to thank y'all for traveling with Choppin It Up with Chef Dix. It's been about 10 years on this journey, and I've been killing them, man. I've been eating good. I'm a little thinner, though. I'm a little thinner. I've just been watching what I've been putting in my body, but this is what we're about to do. About to walk around this park. Let's go.
And in my culture, we're not afraid of disruption. We welcome them as they symbolize rebirth and new beginnings. So my hope is that as I continue to share the tale of politics with you all today, that this volcano will acknowledge my efforts to keep our culture alive. So I will have to share the tale of
I'm going to main acrylic next to the green umbrella, waving my hand. A couple safety reminders while you're here interacting with our dolphins. Direct is front acrylic, then where I am, or to the right, we also have 3 bubble windows. Please do not tap, bang, or slap on this acrylic. This is just for the comfort of our dolphins. We have the rocks, please do not sit, stand, climb, or place any of your personal belongings on these rocks around the exhibit, because they are 24-hour splash zones, so they can get very slippery. And lastly, anywhere where you see rope, chain, acrylic, or rock, we want to keep all of it.
Hey, what's up, Pittsburgh? It's your boy, Chef Dix.
Act like you ain't no gangster chef. Yeah. And I'm back up on the block. The chef up in the building.
Choppin It Up with Chef Dix. Coming soon.